Okay. There's Tina, and we're at Cafe Coffee Catalina.
Mine's in there.
Huh?
Mine's in there.
And there was a bird in this window. There he is.
Is he still there?
Yes.
Oh, he's just on the counter. Poor guy.
Bird coffee. There he is. He obviously likes the coffee here.
Are you taping him?
There's some coffee, Birdie.
Hi. My phone is the one that was sitting there.
No wonder the coffee tastes so good.
Oh!
Oh.
We need to open the window.
Okay.
Hey, do you charge your too?
Yes.
Everything?
Yes, please. Otherwise I won't be able to charge my camera. Thank you.
Freedom. Oh.
Kitchen. That's right.
Here, let me. Is it unlocked?
Yeah.
Out the other way, Birdie. There you go.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna go the wrong way, but that way.
There she goes.
No, in here. This way. Oh, now it's trying to get up in here.
You're a very smart bird.
There you go. All right. Good work.
Some birds.
You saved the day.